Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today's video gonna be purely for developers, not even front end, for backends and server managers, someone like that. So whenever we have a app or a server, there are many kinds of API calls, many kinds of data generating, many kinds of metrics continuously generating, right? And to see all of these metrics or visualize all of these metrics, we have a particular dashboard. Like if your app is calling a Google Map API again and again, you will have a certain dashboard to measure that. But what if you have your own app for something, and you need to monitor that API call, like a particular API call of your own app? How will you do that? Like, obviously, you will be in some kind of dashboard, but for us small startups, or for bigger startups even, it is not possible, to appoint just one person who will always monitor those datas, because obviously you have to sit in front of a screen then 24/7, and it doesn't what a logical option. And why we have to monitor all those data again, like always, like 24/7? Because obviously we are working with some certain limits, and if any of the metric goes beyond the limit, we have to be notified, right? But in certain cases, it is not possible to get it in a easier way, right? Okay, so what if you can get the notification in your Telegram chat? Wouldn't it be great? So today I have found something that exactly does this job for you. So let's dive into the website and see what it is. Okay, so here is our today's website, which is called Notify Accept. And obviously it does the same thing that I have just explained. It obviously generate a call whenever something exists, like whatever you will set it to do, like send notification to yourself or not Telegram. How easiest, obviously this is the easiest way I have ever found, to be honest. So how does it work? Obviously you have to set it up with your email and all, but how does it actually work? So it will create a bot for you, and obviously the bot will continuously send you notification, like a message type notification, for the particular metric that you set it to call, obviously. And you can obviously set the bot in a group chats, like you have a developer group to maintain your obviously web application and all. So you can obviously add the bot to that group, and you all will get notified whenever something happens. And obviously it gives a tons of alerts, like tons of kinds of messages, like website alerts, like website is down, this is something too important for us to know, right? And then website recovered and all. So different kinds of messages. And API call is really easy. You just have to obviously write a post API in your application in order to get it started. And here is the code. Obviously here they have integrated it in PHP. Here is the usage. Okay, so yeah, as simple as that. And they say they are compatible with tons of language like Go, Python, Laravel, PHP, Node.js and all. So yeah, it's a good, really good API. I think not API, maybe bot, whatever. So yeah, he made this. He is Jason. So yeah, obviously try it out and then tell me if you like it or not. Okay, and obviously what else? If you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, cool resources, or something great bots or APIs like this, please let me know about them in the description. Not in the description, in the comments below, so I can feature them in my future video as well. So bye.